AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. And before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and below the video you will find some links. You can check them out. You can join the free Telegram channel, check out the brokers and the prop firms here. The link which I want to talk about is the monthly membership. If you want maximum benefit out of your Forex and gold trading, you can go and join the monthly membership. Subscribe and like, and let's get back to AUDUSD, starting with the top-down approach with weekly time frame. In weekly, we have crossed the EMA a couple of weeks ago, and then we are consolidating, whatever, okay? So weekly, we are up in the uptrend, but weekly we don't really have a sense. Let's get back to daily. So in daily we have to figure out, or what is visible to my eye is that these three red candles tried to start a new downtrend. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 red candles tried to start a new downtrend. Then we had this huge blue candle which has eaten two previous red candles at once. Okay, which means now it should be an uptrend. But how do we know that? Well, look from my eyes. This huge candle broke this previous high and almost broke this previous high. Okay, so this previous high is definitely broken and almost this high is broken too. So that is why I think we are going to continue the uptrend. But we need more confirmation, right? So let's go back to 4 hour, and what do we have in 4 hour? In 4 hour, we had this double bottom, then trend reversal as you can see, and then we made a new high. Okay, so this new high broke previous high and previous high, but not this one. Then we had this pullback. I'm calling this as a pullback because after this downtrend we had a reversal, and I think we are going to continue the uptrend. Why do I think that? Because if you maximize this, look at these three candles when I'm recording the video. You look at these three candles, they had been giving the rejection from the EMA, long wick here, long wick. So every time the price tries to go below the EMA, buyers come into the market and push the price up. And that is a clear indication. I think we are going to continue the uptrend. So look for longs after each pullback. And if you're smart, you will enter buy now. So when I'm recording the video, it's a different time. When you're watching the video, that might be a different time. And we enter live trades maybe at a different time. So if you want some live action, make sure you join the monthly membership. For now, subscribe, like, share the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.